Okay, with the huge Fed announcement coming today, here on the 27th, what will happen to small cap crypto projects amid this downturn in the crypto market? What happens if we go lower from where we are today? And the short answer is this: the strong projects will survive. The projects that are actively doing things, actively moving their particular company forward, these projects and companies, they will last. And we want to talk about one particular company today, and that is Blip Studios, which of course entails two different cryptocurrencies right now, a third one coming. It is Banana Task Force Ape and Bandex. And I want to jump in here and talk about this particular tweet I put out. And I said it's going to be a rocky road in the short term, but strong projects like Banana Task Force Ape know how to survive. How do I know this? How do I have confidence in this investment? Because I have a seat at the table and I see what this team is doing. And you could see it as well from the investor standpoint. They are continuing to build here with strategic partnerships. Recently, they've got their official YouTube channel now verified. Expect some major AMAs, content, and announcements happening in September. We're setting up the stage for us to go absolutely bananas, it says here. So, also, we had a nice little dip with BTFA. Here's Barb chiming in on Twitter, but it's now going back up. So, we did get a dip down into the mid sixes. We have since come back up all the way to the 6.9 range right now, but expect this. I mean, this is a sell off that is to be expected given the overall crypto market, given the 7% pullback that we saw from Bitcoin. This is exactly what you would think would happen with all crypto projects. But again, that dip is being eaten up right now by heavy investors into BTFA. So currently sitting just below a $7 million market cap. I still think this is in its infancy stages when we talk about BTFA and Bandex as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at where Bandex is right now over here on Dex Tools. Bandex, of course, the governance token to the ecosystem. It too, a very important piece here, allowing users to vote on the future of the BTFA ecosystem. So it took a big dip as well, down about 27%, but this is providing a nice entry point for many investors. And, we dipped way down here into the tens, back here in early July. We had a really nice pump all the way up into the 2.4 range. But since then have come back down, but to be expected. Overall, a healthy looking chart here still for Bandex and BTFA. And as Barb said, people are looking at this as an opportunity to get in. Here's Crypto Empress, one of the other ambassadors. She says the BTFA team is building a long-term ecosystem that will benefit its holders. The main goal, create an ecosystem that bridges the gaps between Web3, NFTs, and native token utility. They are playing in every one of these arenas. She says, are you ready for what's coming? Be ready. August is going to be lit. And some of those announcements will be made. Expect a lot of different content here regarding BTFA and Bandex on my channel, talking about where we're heading next for BTFA. Expect to see more exchange listings as well. July has been an enormous month. Here's Austin saying that. It really has been, especially for Bandex, right? So many different exchange listings here this month, but way more to come. Way more to come. We're just getting started here with BTFA. It's still very early. And they are also right now building out a new website. Be on the lookout for that. Can't wait to share that with you as well. So that's what we've got for you here in this video. Thank you so much for popping in. Hit the like button on your way out. Let me know what you're thinking about BTFA. And if you don't know a lot about BTFA, I highly encourage you to read the white paper. Do some research on this project. See what their vision is before you decide to invest. But I'm telling you, you're going to be impressed. You're going to be impressed with what this team is building right now. And they're building to last. They're not building just to be a flash in the pan, here for a couple months and then gone. They're building for multiple years here. And you can tell what they've got in store. Of course, they got their metaverse, which is coming later down the road too. We've gotten a couple little snippets of what that could look like. Very fascinating. And that's what I've got for you. Thank you so much for popping in. I appreciate it. And I'll see you all in the next video.